If you were in West Flagstaff this morning, it was hard to miss the smoke from a motel fire on Milton Road.
NAZ Today reporter Tamara Gobert has more on the story.
The structure fire this morning at the Travel Inn was confined to one room, but created a massive amount of smoke. Flagstaff firefighters quickly attacked the blaze.
When we arrived on scene, we had heavy fire showing from that one room, and the fire was licking up over the balcony. A few people were around trying to put it out with extinguishers and a little garden hose.
No one was seriously injured, but one of the guests was transported to the Flagstaff Medical Center to be checked out.
The two residents of the room actually woke up to the room on fire, and in the process of getting out of the room, one of the residents did get a little bit of charring on his scalp and face and some smoke inhalation.
The point of origin is still under investigation, but investigators have some clues as to what may have started the blaze.
As we started searching around the interior, we did find a motorcycle inside the motel room, which is kind of a unique thing to find. As you all know, gasoline is highly volatile and pretty dangerous to have inside.
Firefighters had to cut through the roof to make sure the fire was completely distinguished. Because of the brick walls, the blaze didn't spread to adjacent rooms. Tamara Gobert, NAZ Today.